We started early for our destination for today, that is Shantiniketan.
Woke up from a whisper.
We faced a huge traffic snarl that day.
Shirt down by my feet.
Due to this,
Stood on crowded bathroom row. Voices filled the rooms upstairs. Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove. She walked out with the floral blouse.
guys, so we reached and this is the resort, so we'll go inside in a minute. So these are where our bikes are parked. Yeah, so let's go. And as you see, this is the lawn area and this is the resort, and there are also single cottages there. It's quite good, and there is a swimming pool. Quite good actually. Okay guys, so now we are having our events, and the first event is the slow race. So the lines are drawn and the contestants are
কনফিডেন্ট, হ্যাঁ কনফিডেন্ট, কিন্তু আজকে যারা দাঁড়িয়ে আছে তারা আমার থেকেও বেশি কনফিডেন্ট রাদার। তো অল দ্য বেস্ট উইশেস। আজকে আমরা
so figure of 8 rules. Please, rules.
So basically you need to circle around, make a figure of 8, okay, with the bike. Your feet cannot fall down, okay, and whoever completes fastest wins. Pull! 88!
Slowest winner! Figure 8 winner! Now we were getting ready for our presentation event and also for prize distribution. There was also cake cutting, and the little ones had to say something about it.
এখানে হ্যাপি বার্থডে পার্টি হচ্ছে।
Happy birthday!
এই যে একটা গেট টুগেদার করার মেইন পারপাস, রাইট, জাস্ট টু ব্রিং এভরিবডি টুগেদার ইন ওয়ান পেজ। রাইডার অফ দ্য মেগাবাইস 2021 অপরেশ। আমি গেলে ও চলে যাবে। Spirit of ERC 2021 Kural. Rider of the year is the one who has done maximum amount of rides, মানে varied rides. Rider of the year 2021.
after a eventful night yesterday. So today what we are doing is, today we are going to go to the pool and we are going to enjoy today.